Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of all the districts of Madhya Pradesh in English. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Madhya Pradesh is a state in central India. Its capital is Bhopal and its largest city is Indore. Madhya Pradesh is the second largest Indian state by area and the fifth largest state by population. It borders the states of Uttar Pradesh to the northeast, Chhattisgarh to the east, Maharashtra to the south, Gujarat to the west, and Rajasthan to the northwest. The Indian state of Madhya Pradesh came into existence on 1st November 1956. Currently, the number of districts in the state is 55. These districts are grouped into 10 administrative divisions. Now, let's start learning the name of these districts one by one. First one is Agar Malwa. Next district is Alirajpur. Next district is Anuppur. Next district is Ashoknagar. Next district is Balaghat. Next district is Badwani. Next district is Baitul. Next district is Bhind. Next district is Bhopal. Next district is Burhanpur. Next district is Chhatarpur. Next district is Chhindwara. Next district is Damoh. Next district is Datia. Next district is Devas. Next is Dhar. Next district in our list is Dindori. Next district is Guna. Next district is Gwalior. Next is Harda. Next district is Indore. Next is Jabalpur. Next district is Jhabua. Next is Katni. Next district is Khandwa. Next is Khargone. Next is Mandala. Next district is Mandsaur. Next is Mauganj. Next district in our list is Morena. Next is Narmadapuram. Next district is Narsinghpur. Next is Neemuch. Next district is Niwari. Next is Panna. Next district is Raisen. Next is Rajgarh. Next district is Ratlam. Next is Rewa. Next district is Sagar. Next is Satna. Next district is Sihor. Next is Sivni. Next district is Sahdol. Next is Shajapur. Next, Shopur. Next is Sivpuri. Next district is Sindhi. Next is Singrauli. Next district is Tikamgarh. Next is Ujjain. Next district is Umaria. Next, Vidisha. Next district is Meher. Last one and the 55th district is Pandurna.